How you can add someone on the Snapchat without saying add it by search. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Snapchat. So now when sharing here you have to go into the chat section and you have to click on this contact icon that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go in the search. Now if you want to add any of your friend but you don't want to show that you added them by the search name, so what you have to do is simply search any of the name that different that you want to add, and from here you have to go into their profile and you just have to click on this add icon, and they are not able to see that you added them by just searching their name. So this is how you can add someone in your Snapchat without saying added by me. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.